Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Living. Let's have a look on Kitchen Trends 2024, predicting the future of design. Prepare to be wowed by the hottest kitchen trends of 2024. The evolution of the kitchen stands out as we look at the latest interior design trends for 2024. We're heading towards groundbreaking aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality. These trends are reshaping kitchen design to fit you perfectly. Let's get started. Don't miss any of our interior designs, tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel now. 1. Glistening and metallic light fixtures. Among the top kitchen lighting trends for 2024 are gold accents and lighting with metallic or gold elements. These glam components improve the overall aesthetic of a kitchen design by adding a hint of warmth and luxury. 2. Intelligent and flexible lighting. The influence of technology on lighting is ever present. When smart lighting systems are combined with home automation platforms, homeowners can change the color, brightness, and evenness of the light depending on the mood or the time of day. Modern fixtures with technology encourage energy conservation and provide a customized kitchen experience. You can now customize the area to fit your needs and habits, such as your late-night snacking and morning coffee rituals. 3. Little hinted and layered lighting. A multifaceted approach to lighting is necessary for the modern kitchen. Consider layered lighting schemes that smoothly combine task, ambient, and accent lighting. Anticipate soft, hidden lighting, pendant lights over islands, and under-cabinet LED strips to work in concert to create a highly customizable and livable environment. This method guarantees that each task and cranny in the kitchen has its own spotlight. 4. Energizing green colors for kitchens. Green is still one of the most popular paint colors for kitchens, and it's probably here to stay past 2024. This adaptable color is perfect for walls, backsplash tiles, countertops, or kitchen islands because it gives designs a feeling of freshness and calmness. Whether it's a vibrant emerald, a calming sage, or a chic olive hue, green brings a natural element to your kitchen. This color is an easy way to swiftly create a harmonious, welcoming, and energizing atmosphere if you're not adding live plants. It's a color that goes well with a lot of different design types, so it's a favorite for adding a little modern calm to kitchen decor. 5. Midnight blue offers subdued elegance. Enjoy dramatic and gloomy tones? Afterwards, welcome to midnight blue. The rich, deep tone is elegant and sophisticated, perfect for a daring yet personal look. Combine it with brass or gold fixtures to add visual depth and definition. The color is also fantastic as an accent wall or feature cabinet, adding a little drama without taking over the room. 6. Warm kitchen trends with burnished hues. The gorgeous burnished ochre color was inspired by the incredibly seductive organic appearance of earthenware and handcrafted pottery. Particularly when paired with neutral or contrasting hues, it adds depth and character with its richly warm appearance. It also works with a variety of styles, including transitional, modern, and industrial. 7. Stunning and eye-catching stone or marble worktops. In 2024, high-detail marble and stone worktops are expected to take center stage in kitchen design. These gorgeous surfaces instantly improve the aesthetics of any kitchen area because they radiate luxury and elegance. 8. Integrated drain boards and sinks easily. 2024 countertops will focus more on functionality than just appearance. More precisely, cutting-edge integrated sinks and drain boards made of the same material as the countertop are expected to be popular kitchen sink trends in 2024. By removing any gaps between the wash basin and countertop, this design promotes a seamless appearance and makes cleaning easier. Additionally, it gives the wash basin and counter a unified, flowing appearance. 9. Eco-friendly materials are embraced by the green revolution. Interior design in 2024 prioritizes eco-friendly techniques, and kitchen trends follow suit. Sustainable materials can have a unique appearance and have less of an impact on the environment. Consider recycled plastic or glass, bamboo, cork, linoleum, and reclaimed wood. In their exposed form, they create an irresistible feature in a kitchen, whether it's a statement countertop or an eye-catching backsplash. 10. Smart technology integrated serves up convenience. 2024's kitchen interior design is more intelligent than before. Cooking chores are more simplified, effective, and, dare we say it, enjoyable thanks to modern technology. Enjoyment and ease of use will be increased by voice-activated lighting, touchless faucets, and AI-driven ovens that can automatically adjust cooking times and temperatures. Furthermore, these cutting-edge features blend in seamlessly, guaranteeing that technology improves the atmosphere rather than detracts from it. 11. Multifunctional kitchen islands. More is more. A kitchen island is more than just a place to prepare meals, it's a hub of activity, and it's becoming more and more versatile. Anticipate islands featuring movable workstations, integrated charging ports, and even retracted desks to suit various activities, such as conducting business from a distance or arranging private events. This trend towards greater multifunction emphasizes how modern homes are becoming more and more designed to maximize space and utility. Last but not least, kitchen design can genuinely function as the center of modern-day activities. 12. Substance-based statement surfaces. Now is the moment to even out your surfaces. Bold countertop and cabinet trends for 2024 are being embraced by top kitchen remodel ideas, and you can too. Go for uniqueness. Consider materials like petrified wood, onyx, or agate. These materials are evolving into the kitchen's eye-catching focal point thanks to their vivid colors and organic patterns. 13. Stylish shelves become modular. The open shelving trend in design is replacing covered cabinets with a modular system in place of the more conventional covered cabinets. You can easily alter the storage space in these designs to suit your needs. This kitchen remodel trend embraces style and flexibility, whether it's showcasing gorgeous dinnerware or creating a dynamic visual with varied shelf heights and color pops. Furthermore, modular designs in particular accommodate changing needs and lifestyles. This implies that you are free to rearrange your kitchen whenever you please. 14. Eat-in kitchens that welcome families. In 2024, eat-in kitchens will probably be the most popular type of kitchen remodel. This style lets you eat in the center of your house and provides the ideal balance of comfort and convenience. 15. Grace cabinets with ultra-thin profiles. Ultra-thin countertops, often only a few millimeters thick, are becoming more and more popular as minimalist design continues to be timeless. These remarkably smooth surfaces highlight simplicity and straight lines. New developments in material science guarantee that these countertops are robust and resilient to normal wear and tear, even with their delicate appearance. 16. Added greenery for an organic feel. Kitchens are becoming more and more biophilic due to the fact that they foster a closer relationship with the natural world. Greenery incorporated into countertop designs, statement walls, and miniature greenhouses are some of the kitchen remodel ideas for 2024. This method ensures that fresh produce and herbs are always within reach for cooking while infusing the atmosphere with organic elements. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts below. Thank you for watching.